How to record shows on Roku TV. In this video, I'll show you how you can record shows on Roku TV. So to get started, go ahead and use your satellite DVR or cable DVR. If you're watching live TV through cable or satellite on your Roku TV, use your provider's DVR box. Just hit record on the DVR remote and your shows will be saved directly to the box. Second is cloud DVR and streaming apps. So, second, many streaming apps on Roku like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling or Fubu include cloud DVR. When you watch through this app, simply press the record inside the app and your shows are stored online. Later, you can replay them anytime on your Roku TV. And third is external HDMI recorder. So third, you can use external HDMI recorder or capture card. Connect Roku TV's HDMI output to the recorder, then save the show to a USB drive or your computer using software like OBS Studio. This gives you full control over your recordings. Now, here are the important things that you should take note of. Cloud DVR recordings are stored online and not on your device. You can watch them anytime, but you cannot export or download them outside the app. And recording is subject to channel restrictions. Some network may block DVR recording. And that is how you can basically record shows on Roku TV.